Today we're out here at a school. We're putting in 2 different types of mulches. We get to work about 6, run over the job,
Get ready for the day, get the trucks loaded.
get them all prepped, and then head out to site. We do a lot of work for councils, a lot of civil work, construction, a lot of schools. You'd be surprised how many playgrounds there are when you really start to look.
We'll start blowing mulch, soil, depending on what it is.
If it fits through a hose, we can blow it. Different mulches and different applications, and people aren't expected to know what all the applications are, but they are expected to learn. As long as you ask heaps of questions, everyone's really helpful.
It's a great start.
If you can point at a planter box or filled it with soil, we've been places that most people never get to see in their lifetime.
We've got to reload, we'll head back to the yard, then we'll finish off the job.
Pack it all up and then do some more maintenance.
And we get ready for the next day. If you're up for a challenge and you like being outdoors,
It's a good opportunity. It's always something different, somewhere new. Always chasing the perfect bakery, it's great.